Hello students, we'll see in this video about how to use a switch case statement to print a day number, means day name, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, like that. How we can print it using first I have used over here the scanner class. We have to import java.util asterisk. Now next we have to create one method, we have to create a class, and after that we have to create a method name show day name. Now here the variable, I have declared one variable, initialize one variable, that is day number, and it is of type int. Now it will now I have created one class named scanner sc equals to scanner system.in, and this message menu option +1 for Monday, Tuesday, like that. This will display on the output screen, and when the user will give the input, means like suppose the user has given case number 2, then it is going to store that time the sc.nextInt. This method will call with that created object of that scanner class and going to store in the day number. So it when it will going to store in day number, means that value, means this 1 to press 1 for Monday. If 1 it will store, then it will come to the case number 1, case 1, and print the value Monday. I will also show you with the output. I will show with the output, then it is much clear to you. After compilation I will show you that we have to call which day name. Now it is asking here menu option, press 1 for Monday, press 2 for Tuesday, press 7 for like this, press 7 for Sunday. Now here input a day number from above menu 1 2 3 till 7. Now if I will press here 2, then it will print output Tuesday. Now once again I have to close this. Again we have to call the method name show day name. Again it will ask again, this time if I will press any other number like 7, if I'll press, then it and press the enter key, then it shows Sunday. Now if the user was given the wrong input, means if the user will press some other number, some other day number, then it should say what. Let's see here, invalid input, because here in your default statement, it is showing in the default statement here at the default invalid input it is showing. It means when that is why it is asking the value from the user, because here using with the scanner class we can at the time of this, after creating the scanner class, you already know that it will ask the value from the user. One value from the user, sc.next method will call at the time, then when the user give the input from the keyboard, then this method will call, and using this method it is going to store, it will store the particular value which is coming from the user. It will store in the day number variable, and as you can see day number is also given with the switch case, this variable. So it will going to store, like suppose if the user has pressed 2, then it will go to the case number 2 and print Tuesday, like that. If any other, if the invalid like 10, if the user will give a 10 input, means case number 10, then it should print the default, the last one, that is default statement invalid input. I hope this video is helpful for you, so thank you.